Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I am going to teach you how to make a cosmetic purse. So the materials you're going to need for this project are your zip, 2 pieces of Ankara fabric, 2 pieces of lining or inner fabric. Then you're going to need an interface. This is the one I am using. So the length of the zipper is 9 inches. That's the same thing I cut for the fabric, 9 inches. The length of the inner fabric is also 9 inches. Now the depth is 7 inches. 7 inches for the main fabric, 7 inches for the inner fabric. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to iron my interface on the wrong side of my Ankara fabric. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you what we should do. Okay, so I have ironed my interface on the wrong side of my fabric. So now I'm going to place my zipper. Right side of my zipper would face the right side of my fabric. So right side facing right side. I'm going to place it. Then I'm going to take my inner fabric and I'm just going to place it on top of the zipper like so. Yes, you don't have to bother about the inner fabric because it does not have back and it doesn't have front. So I'm just going to place that, open up the zipper so it will be easy for me to sew on it. So guys, making this is quite easy and you can do this under 10 minutes. If you've already cut out everything you need, you can do under 10 minutes. It's an easy project. It's very easy. So I'm just going to sew that all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Okay, so we are going to repeat the same process we did on the first part. I'm going to place this right side facing right side, wrong side facing wrong side. So I'm just going to sew. Please, if you're enjoying this video, please like this video. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to close the zipper, and I'm going to top stitch on this. It's better when you top stitch. If you don't want to top stitch, you can do a proper ironing on it so it will stay flat, but I prefer top stitching, so I'm going to top stitch on top of it like that. So guys, I'm going to top stitch on it now. Top stitch on both sides. You see, making this is easy. So guys, the next step is, you see this small piece, I want to use it to put just like a little handle there. So you can cut out a small piece like this, fold it, and then sew on it. So just watch what I do so you can do what I do. So that's it. Now I'm going to place it at the zipper end. Place it right there, and then I'm just going to sew on top of it to hold it in place. So I'm going to sew the down parts now. Join the right sides together. Right side facing right side. I'm going to join it together. I'm going to repeat the same process for the inner part. Join the bottom part. Yes. So guys, we've joined the bottom parts. The next thing we're going to do now is to join the sides. But first I'm going to open the zipper. So I'm going to join the closed part of the zipper. So from the beginning to the end. The part where we put the small handle, please make sure you stitch that part very well. So the other side too, we're going to sew, but we're not going to sew all the way to the down part. We're going to leave from here to this part open. That's where we'll have to turn our bag from, our purse from, sorry. And so then get to the midpoint of the inner lining, just leave it open. So I'm going to turn it out now. I'm turning it to the right side of the purse. Turning inside out. Make sure you bring out all the sides out completely. Now that part that was left open, you have to close it. So you're going to fold it in. Just the way I did it. Fold it that way and then run a stitch on it. Yes, so that part is closed now. Everywhere is closed now. It's always better you do it on the side like this. That way to be hard to discover where you did your closing from. So we're going to turn it now to the front. Oh my god, this purse is beautiful. I'm already loving it. I'm going to show you pictures of 2 other purses I made. So this is it. Please push the sides out completely. So let's go to the table. Let me show you what I did. So this is it. This is the purse. See how beautiful it came out. And it's easy to make, very easy to make. So guys, you can make yours and put it up for sale. See how neat it's looking inside. You can put your phone, you can put whatever it is you want to put inside. It's big enough. So that's it. This is another one I made. And then the last one, this is red. This is beautiful. So guys, you can make this and put it up for sale. Make money with your sewing skills, okay? Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.